Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix unable to load photo or video errors on iPhone. The first thing that we're going to try and do is pressing and holding down on the two volume buttons along with the power button to force restart your iPhone. The second thing that you can try and do is toggling between mobile data and Wi-Fi to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. The third thing that you can do is head over to settings, tap on iCloud, tap on photos, and toggle sync this iPhone off for a while. Wait for a few minutes, then toggle it back on and see if that solves the problem. You can also try resetting your network settings. For that, go to General inside Settings, look for Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and tap on Reset Network Settings to reset all your network settings and see if that works. You can also try accessing your photos and videos from Safari to see if it's a network syncing issue or an issue with your iPhone. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.